Following message is transmitted at the request of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department. At approximately 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports have come in that several citizens have marched down onto the streets after Shrek 5 was not released into theaters. Why are you people writing for Shrek 5? It's not that big of a deal. It's just a movie. I know you've waited 14 years for this, 10 to 14 years for this, but come on, you're gonna riot over Shrek 5? I'm sorry about that. Um, yeah, the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department is asking all residents to stay indoors for the remainder of the night, and I don't know. Why couldn't they get the AI to do this? Like, why do they need me to do this live action? You know what? Screw it. I'm going home.